How to add a border in video in CapCut PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a border to your video in CapCut on PC using an easy method. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. To do this, simply click New Project. Then, import your video by clicking on Import. Select the video clip you want to edit and drag it to the timeline. Once your video is placed on the timeline, click on the video clip to select it. You should now see a preview of your video in the preview window at the top. Now add a border. Look for the resizing handle. This is the small box at the top of the video preview window. Click on the handle and you'll be able to resize your video. Drag the corner of the video inward to shrink it. As you do this, you'll automatically notice a black background forming around the edges of your video. This black area serves as the border around your video. You can adjust the size of the video by dragging the corner further in or out. The smaller you make the video, the thicker the border becomes. Adjust it until you're happy with the border thickness and the look of your video. Once you're satisfied with the result, click on Export at the top right to save your video to your computer. And that's how you add a border to your video in CapCut on PC using the resizing method. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials.